All right, so we got a late start, but at least we're going riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we at?
We're in St. Helen.
Yeah, this is where we always go.
Yeah, this is the first place I ever came riding, so we might as well test the wraps out in somewhere I know. So
yeah, you gotta test them out. What do you think, Tab? You excited?
Always.
Pro R's up and running, so you're gonna do some ripping today?
Definitely. On the way here, everybody was staring at these wraps, so we're super excited to go through the trails. We're gonna get a lot of viewers. I don't know what I'm saying right now.
Yeah, a lot of viewers on these.
But anyway, so I'm ready to go rip. Chris let me borrow his windshield. It's already cracked, so I don't have to worry about it getting messed up. So I'm just gonna go hammer it.
Yeah, let's see if you can keep up.
And we were supposed to go to Silver Lake. A little sad about that,
Yeah,
but
definitely dropped the ball on that. But we'll get out there hopefully next week.
so we're gonna go rip, and I'm freaking thrilled.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where are you going?
Oh,
Yeah, where are we going?
We're just gonna go get lost, and then we'll figure it out. We'll use our ride command and get us back.
Maybe we'll go find Bigfoot.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe we'll find Bigfoot. I know a lot of the trails around here, but I want to discover something new.
You got your Red Bull? You ready?
Oh, I'm jacked.
All right, let's go rip.
All right, let's go.
Woo!
Let's go. Started pulling back down.
Did it get up? Is the temperature good?
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys see me waving?
Nope.
No.
I've been waving the whole time. Literally the first 5 seconds in, I was like, oh no.
Next time you just stop, Heather.
I was going
Don't try to chase me down.
Oh, it was scary.
It's too dusty to see you. What's next?
Heather, did you learn any lessons today?
Yeah, don't get Starbucks before you go riding. Or at least slam it. I really wanted that coffee too.
Man, your beautiful wrap went beautiful dusty.
Oh.
Real quick, look at that.
Oh.
All scratched up now.
Yeah. Well, that's St. Helen for you. Everyone knows it's dusty out here.
Yeah. You know.
Maybe if we went to Silver Lake.
Yeah, it rained a lot at home, but not up here.
No, it's hot.
You ain't got a gator?
No.
Net gator? I think I got one somewhere.
I'll get prepared one day.
Yeah, one day.
One day.
Well, I'm gonna let you take the front.
All right.
And then just go at your own pace.
Just turn wherever? Or?
I'll just look back and I'll tell you where to turn.
Okay.
So, but it should be pretty.
Look back?
Pretty
All right.
easy to figure
I don't
out.
have a mirror.
Tap can look back.
I don't have anything. I got a machine though. All right, let's go. Rip. like makes you, like the straightaways, they're like so bouncy, it makes you like go all over. I feel like that, it just keeps fishing. Don't you feel like it like fishes? You're wobble. You're a looser. It's like, it literally feels like we have a fish fin and we're just like pushing through the water. Yes. Okay.
Hold on.
The dust took your shine away.
Yeah, look at this.
You gotta keep up and stop eating my dust.
I've been trying to like stay right on you and you just like, and it's so whippy out here.
Whippy.
I just want to take it easy. But where are we going?
I don't know. I grabbed a ride file, so I think we're halfway to Luzerne. We'll get gas, maybe some food.
Okay.
I want some fried mushrooms.
Oh yeah, this has been fun.
Yeah.
It feels like it's gonna rain, but I mean, I got a windshield, so I'm ready for anything.
The radar says the rain's coming, so we'll see what happens.
Let's keep ripping. Let's stay away from the little. I don't like that.
You want to drive mine?
Sure.
We can put Tab in the passenger seat to get your reaction.
Let her drive this one. Tab, you want to drive? Why not?
I want to drive mine.
Then you drive that
No,
one.
you drive it first. I'll drive it later. It's raining now.
It is?
No.
All right, let's go. Bye, we gotta go.
We gotta go.
Whose idea was it to come out in the rain?
Heather's.
We were supposed to be, okay, supposed to be at Silver Lake, and it wouldn't matter because we could have just went swimming in the rain. Right? Why are all
We
these
can go swimming in
bugs
the rain right
flying at
now.
me? All right, we gotta go. Let's go. Like and subscribe, you guys. Like and subscribe.
All right, Heather, we're at Mediters. I don't think you've ever been here.
Nope, muddy eaters.
Mediters.
I match. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm pretty muddy.
Yeah.
Well, dusty.
No, this place is a good little drive for dinner from St. Helen.
And it smells incredible. Like, it smells so good.
I think their food's pretty good.
So I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
Yeah, let's go.
3 hours later.
All right, Heather. So for me, Maturders gets a 0. What are you giving them?
I don't even know their name anymore.
Yeah.
It's out of my mind.
Dude, I'm never coming to this place again.
Never.
Never.
Food was okay. Portion size horrible. Service was awful. Literally didn't even care about us. So.
No, she didn't even come back to see how our food was. She dropped it off and never seen us
Nope.
again.
She was just too busy doing I don't know what. But
After an hour.
what's this town called?
Masia.
Up and smell it. I think someone did it as a joke.
Right here?
Yeah. I swear to God, smell it. Do you smell it? Hi guys. You ready to go, Rip? It's starting to rain now, so I'm actually okay with that, so it won't be so dusty. It was really dusty earlier, and I'm following Chris, so I'm eating all the dust, and it's nasty. But let's go. I definitely need a helmet too, like a good helmet, because that whole thing, not loving it. They're getting wet. So they're gonna put their raincoats on. Ah, thank you, bro. Thanks, Tab. Hey. Hey, Chris. Should I be in high or low right now?
Hi.
Or, I mean, 4-wheel drive. That's what I meant to say.
Whatever you want. A lot of people don't like running a 4 because
I'm in 2.
a lot of people like 2 because it doesn't put stress on the diff or
Okay.
the drive shaft to the front diff. Some
That's what
people
I'm
like
in.
4.
Okay. hot dirty
Yeah. Heather was eating my dust the whole time.
all day. Ugh, nasty.
Yeah.
But it was a lot of fun.
We gotta get your pumper hooked up.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
We will. But it was a lot of fun.
Yep.
St. Helen never disappoints. Like, there's just so many trails.
Well, Mediters disappoints.
Oh yeah, don't go to Mediters.
Yeah, we weren't happy. But hey, we ended up stopping at Chad's place.
Yep.
Went out with Chad, Ed, Amanda, Rachel, Jake and his
Jacob.
wife stopped and said hi, so that was fun.
Yeah, it was really cool.
That's why it's dark now.
Yeah, because we were just talk.
Yeah, we were supposed to go hang out with them, but we got dogs at home, so we got to get back.
Yep.
Yeah. Plus, we got plans for tomorrow, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Tomorrow's gonna be a big day too, and we're gonna get up early and start the day right. Wow!
Yeah.
All right, bye guys.
Later.